Hi folks, wanted to give a quick video here for the beta Vise soft jaws. So the way these will work is your regular Vise system will work. You'll remove the bar, you'll remove the tiny devices, and you will add in this piece on the movable side and this shelf piece on the fixed side. And so we've done some testing. We're obviously still testing, but in our testing, the biggest question or concern was the fact that these are cantilevered out in the air, and we're not seeing a degradation or at least a meaningful impact on that in terms of the rigidity and the security and the repeatability under the greatest clamping pressure that we could apply. Wailing on it, we were able to measure about 2 thou deflection or lift, and that's okay. If you measure real jaws and vices, a lot of them will easily have 1/1000th of an inch. And most importantly, we've just done some cutting and testing, and they've been working out quite well. So these are your soft jaw bases. There's a shoulder bolt that we include that prevents this from tipping forward or nodding down, and then you'll use the 2 screws here that will actually actuate your clamping pressure. And then the soft jaws themselves, we call the top jaw, is a semi-sacrificial piece of aluminum. We love this because it's way smaller. You're not wasting as much material as you are sometimes with a huge 2-inch by 6-inch type soft jaw. So these will simply screw on to both sides. You can lock this down in place to machine the soft jaws into the shape and geometry that you need. And then when you're ready to make your part, it would be similar workflow where you would slide this up to the part with this all the way back, tighten down the bar here, and then use these to actuate the final clamping pressure. You obviously don't have a ton of throw, or you have a limited throw distance, but again, in our testing, what we've done, it's worked quite well, so we want to get them out to you guys to make sure that you guys see and agree. So we will include on the beta orders, we've only got 7 sets to ship. We will have more for folks if you miss out on this beta, and we'll be including 2 sets of the machined soft jaws with each one. We'll have more for sale, or obviously it's a relatively simple part and you'd be able to make your own. These will also work as a traditional clamping vise, so you can just clamp between these 2 relatively small faces, or you could put larger blocks in here to clamp between there as well.